Today, in this video I will show you how you can change product price into different multi-currencies for free. This will help you to show product prices into different currencies of world. For this, we need to install a plugin which is developed by me. I will give you this plugin for free. Download it and install it. Once the plugin is activated, go to its settings. First of all, we need to get real-time currency exchange API keys. Check this enable automatic updates via exchange-rate-api.com. To get keys, click on this link. It will redirect you the dashboard of current exchange website. Add your email address to get keys. Once your account is created, you will redirect to the page where you will get your keys. Copy these keys and paste it here. Once the settings are saved, copy this short code and paste it in the menu like this using Elementor shortcode widget. Now open your single product page and test whether our currency changer plugin is working or not. You can clearly see that it is working 100% fine. To make sure the exchange rate is same as shown, let us confirm it from Google. Google Exchange is also indicating the same amount. It means that we have successfully achieved our goal. Add many currencies you want and enjoy. Thank you.